taking the time to watch my channel. I love to DIY to make life a little easier and more beautiful. I hope to inspire you to get your creative juices flowing. I love challenges, so be sure to send me a challenge or two. I would appreciate you giving this project a thumbs up if it inspires you, and be sure to subscribe and click that bell to let you know when I post a new project. Now, let's get into today's project. Do you last minute shop? Well, check out the Dollar Tree, check out my haul, and let's see what we got for Mother's Day. I have to make a quick stop at the Dollar Tree one more time just to get a few things for Mother's Day. So I thought I'd share my little haul with you today that's a little bit mighty. So let me show you what I have for you today. First of all, I found these at the dollar store. Looks like a candy, but it's not. It's hair ties. I think that is so adorable. And then they had another one like this. So definitely a Mother's Day present. They had this cute little compact, and what was really cool is I found this matching, and I found the eye, cover your eyes at night so you can take a breath, and of course found some more hair ties, hair bows, and I found these are so pretty, I use these all the time. It's a nice fan. It's very nice for the spring and summer. So I thought that was really pretty. And then, now this is going to be part of a DIY I'm going to do for you in the next video for Mother's Day. So be on the lookout for this. And, oh, I forgot. Found some house shoes. I might doll them up a little bit to match the present I'm going to give. This little cute little basket I found in the kitchen organizing area. I will show you what I'm going to do with that and a DIY coming up. This and this is going to be part of a DIY. These are magnetic clips, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. Then we have a cookie sheet. That's going to be part of my DIY. Mother's Day present. Really cool. Now, I think you've all seen this one. These baskets, very cute. They have a smaller version of it. Watch this. I thought this was really cool. I can set this right in here and make it a double one. So part of this present, which I will show you in the next video. And I'm gonna put that in there. And all of these cute things that I found for this present. So, how cute is this? Right? Makes a nice basket. And of course you can put tissue in it and you'll doll it all up, but this is going to be really cute. And just some other things, reminders of what's there at the Dollar Tree. We have some greenery. I wasn't really impressed with the greenery in my area at my Dollar Tree. There's not a lot of greenery, and I needed some for a project that I'm working on. So I'm gonna have to keep looking. But I picked this up. I thought I like the greenery. It's just not very much of it, but you get, you know, it's $1. And then of course, don't forget to get your bags. Dollar, so cute. All these wonderful. This one's very pretty. These could even be used for a DIY. This would make a very pretty picture frame of some sort, background. This one too, but you need to pick those up as well. Look what else I found. This is our happy place. This is going out by the pool. Can't wait to show you where I'm going to put it when I get it out there. So, again, I love it. It'll be great for outdoors, but you know, I have to make it my own, so I'll put a little twist on it, and we'll put that in a DIY as well in an upcoming video. So that is my short haul for today, but I thought I'd share with you some really cool items that I found at Dollar Tree. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. So these are just cookies,